Iti ako, aray ka. Ano ba to? Nakikiliti ako, be. Oh my goodness me. What do you want again? You want something? What do you want? Oh, sabi ko may gusto to eh. Ano?
You know what is this?
I don't know what is that. What's that? Ano yan?
This is 2
Oh, two.
and 0.
Oh, ano yan?
30.
Gusto do 20 pesos. Tignan mo, may gusto yan. Kaya nanghahalit. Oh. Ay, Diyos ko. What do you want? What do you wanna buy? Ah. Ay, pating-ting pa. Tingnan mo
What
yung...
did you want?
Tingnan mo yung ano mo.
Oh, you want ice
May
candy?
bibe dito sa ulo mo.
I want ice candy?
Oh, bibe. Ice candy?
Yeah, it's yummy, that one. Dr. Habit's color purple.
Oh. May bibe ka sa ulo. Oh.
Okay, what do you want me to buy for you?
Later, later.